Hi everyone, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to talk about artificial Christmas trees and how to accessorize them to make them look as real as possible. Now it starts with a really good looking artificial tree. Now you'll find that when you see these in the store, there are good, better, and best. You're looking for the fullest possible tree as you can find. Now some of them come with pre-lit lighting, which I really like, or you can find them without any lighting that you can do yourselves. And then from there, it's all about the accessories that you choose to really bring that holiday spirit and life to your tree. Let me show you how it's done. So this is a nice full tree that's pre-lit. One of the things that you want to do is kind of drop those tines out and fill this in by spreading out all of the little branches, because that's going to make the tree look even fuller. Now, if you notice that there are spots perhaps that aren't as full as you like, there is artificial greenery or even real greenery that you can use to insert into the tree to fill it out and make it look more natural. Okay, so I talked about accessorizing and how you can really dress up the tree. You can do something like buy one of these large galvanized bushel basket barrels. They come in different sizes, and if the base of your tree fits inside of it, that can be the bottom of the base. Or there are other decorative bases that you can use to really dress it up. There's even this kind of fake looking snow as a skirting that you can use around it. I know many of you have seen this before, but these kind of accessories can really make the tree look special. Now it's time to decorate. Using natural decorations will really help the tree look better. These are carved stars that are made of wood. Pine cones that are spray painted can look really nice. Even a little jingle bell with some greenery. And this is a burlap wrap decoration that if you use these along with green hooks to hang them, your tree will look spectacular. And finally, if you want to really get that artificial tree looking and smelling like a real one, you can add something like Scentsicles. These are scent additives that come in many different scents, and yep, it smells like Christmas. If you need more tips or advice, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at acehardware.com. Better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.